Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to connect your SKOOL to make.com or n8n in one click. This is my brand new project, what I'm working with, and you can go to this website, which is called SKOOL.com, or you can join the waitlist and you'll receive when it's be available, or you can also go to the AI Pay My Bills SKOOL community and see you there. So as you can see, I have this one member is requesting to join my community, and to approve it or decline, I'm going to use n8n to just make it come true, to filter it. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, I was using make.com with the same API what I'm building right now. I'm not on the plan, on the paid plan. I'm on the free plan, and right now I cannot even create these affiliates, or I cannot use any plugins like AutoDM plugin. It's very powerful, or the plugin which is instant approval. So what I'm basically doing, I'm just using my make.com right now to filter from spammers my group, because it's free, and to use ChatGPT to just basically creating the proposal for a human for the future. This group of mine, it has 42 members right now, and it's free, so you can just join it by the link below. And I don't want to make it free and open because I want to know what people are interested in, and so I made it private, so I have to approve every time manually everyone who wants to join it. But the thing is that I've created this kind of classroom playlist where you can just go here and just work with my API absolutely for free. So see you there. When you're gonna use my API, I've made this Chrome extension where I can basically check it on the top right corner that everything is kind of working. And here I have 2 unread messages. It's nothing, but I have 1 pending join request right now. And it's, if you click here, you can see it here. I'm not gonna click on it right now, not to spoil the personal data of this person, but I checked that and he is not a spam person. So he's not a bot, because since a couple of months, SKOOL made this cool new feature where it's marking a person if it's like a spam bot, and you can decide whether or not you can join, accept this person to the group or not. So to approve it right now, I'm going to use a brand new membership approval system with n8n. So the first thing that we're going to make, I'm going to make it on the schedule, because in the future I'm going to make it like every day. But comparing with make.com, it's easier to use n8n because it's free, and you can even run this automation every second or every 5 minutes. So it's going to be feeling like the person is going to have this instant approval system. So I'm going to keep this like once a day, and it's not a big deal right now. And then I have to add this, for example, get Google Sheet, and I need to get this data from my Google Sheet. So I'm going to say SKOOL, and my list is going to be leads. And I just made a couple of things. So the name is not visible here, source is not visible. You see the status, and I can basically check is the person is still here, or it's not approved, or it's what's going on with this person. But the main thing what I'm going to use is going to be this notes or interests. Because every time a person is trying to apply to my community, I'm asking it, what are you interested in? And it says like automation agency, or build a scalable system, lead generation. Yep. And to learn, or AI automation. That's really cool when people wants to do that. But in the future, I'm going to create an offer for a person here, and I'm going to say kind of a note. So if for example, we have automation agency interests from the person, I can offer him some kind of AI skill learning. And here I can also tell this person that, all right, it needs a guidance on the integration AI into interests. Okay, so that was made by ChatGPT. Today I'm going to be using another note. Just wait a second, zoom out a bit. So we have this empty line over here, and I'm going to be checking whether or not it's added. So if I'll go here, I have this get row in Sheets, but maybe I'll just make it later on. And right now I will go to my, just a sec, I need to find my, no, it's not here, just wait a second. So here I have this documentation about the school public group checker. It's just checking the group if you want to, but I'm using my own group here. It's notification checker and messages checker, and what I need is join requests checker. So here, this is a JSON that you have to use, and for that reason you need to use this client ID and token. You can get it from this page if you want. Just go to settings when you're gonna join my community, of course, and here I have this token and user ID. So I'm gonna take it from here and paste it in my set node. Okay, let's say set. And here I'm gonna say ID. Okay. Here I'm gonna say token. Just wait a second. So when token and everything is ready, we have to create an HTTP request to that endpoint over here, and we need to send this JSON, right? So let me take it from here. Wait a second. The method should be post. The link should be this one. And we have to send a JSON using, I would say, using the fresh JSON. So I'll take this JSON over here. So I have my own group. I'm gonna leave it as it is. So I'm gonna take this ID and change it to expression. And here I'm gonna say JSON.id from the previous node. And this one, to the video, it's gonna be this one. Take this token over here. And it's basically gonna check my group. And I need to get one request. I hope it's not gonna be an error over here. I don't know, do you see that or not? But I have has request option, it's true. Count is 1. And then I have this user ID and the name and blah, 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 and everything what we need. So then I need to set another node. I like to do that because every time I have this new data over here, I'm just taking what I want to take. So I need to take a timestamp. I need to know, is there a request? How many people are requesting at the moment? User found 1. Okay, let's take it as well, but it's the same as join request 11. So I'll take his name, I'll take his profile, I'll take avatar, I'll take bio, and this person also answered on some questions. Just don't take the personal data. So okay, survey, right, what's your name? Okay, I'll take the name, I'll take the why automate system make and location, and that's basically it. Everything what I need, it's over here. I'm gonna just rename this to date, or sorry, just keep it. And now I need to take this information over here and parse it to my sheet. But instead of checking, I don't want to make any changes over here. I'm gonna just take this node and switch it from get row. I will append a row. So we're gonna add this information to the next row after, well, it says 45, you don't see it. So over here we're gonna have this new person. And we need to check everything by ourselves. Role date would be the date. Maybe I'll take the schema. Okay. Timestamp would be the date. Okay, doesn't matter. The name. Be the name of the person. Email. I will make it later. Source. Here I have this source like school make, but I'm typing it like SKOOL n8n. Status interests. That's interesting, because to get the interest, no, the interest is here. That's fine, because it's in the question. It says automate system and make money. All right, but potential is I need to calculate it, and I need to get this location. Should be location. That's right. Lead ID. Maybe that's kind of the first step is fine. All right. Okay, amount, deal closed, activity, school username. Okay, I think I took it from the somewhere. Maybe it's not in data. Maybe it's still here. Name, file, profile, profile. School username. Okay, I can send it to the school username. Yeah, here should be the profile. Right, I'll keep it like that. There was also a bio. Where's the bio? Maybe I need to add the bio. Let's say, let's see. So maybe I'll just add it at the end. This bio. All right. Now I need to refresh the sign because it's a new bio thing. So I have this bio. And here, automate and make money. All right. So the email, I will edit and then restart the video. So let's click on this button here. We can pin those things, so we don't need to do it again, but I'll just click on the button and it's gonna just add another row. So here I need to limit. So what we have here, we have this person over here, which is approved. And we also need this 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, at least 4 columns over here. So to make it faster, I'm going to take this GPT node, or I can also say AI and then Olama. I can message to my own model, and my model would be, let's say, this GPT host. That's absolutely fine, and it's free. The most interesting thing. And the content would be take data of person and give me some insights. So the first thing what we need to get the potential. Okay. So I'm gonna just say like that. So it's a JSON. So we need to be sure that everything is fine. Okay, let's see. Potential. How high is width? Let's say high, middle, low. Then it's 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. The other thing would be product offer. Like, okay. Let's say offer. Let's say offer to this person, right? And the last one would be the interest, right? Notes. The notes, what we can do. Notes, what we can do together, and I can offer to this person in the future. All right. So we have this small prompt over here. I'm going to switch to expression. take the data of the person. Okay. And from here, I'm gonna just take, say, the bio of the person. Okay. And I'm gonna just say the interest and the goal. That's all. So, and I need to specify, give me some size like that, JSON. Okay, so I'm gonna click execute. So this model I'm running for free and it's quite fast. And right now we have a JSON, but it's needed to be parsed. So I'll say set. I'm gonna take this content over here and I see the JSON, but we also need to say parse JSON, right? But to parse the JSON, we have to get rid of those signs over here. So I need to take this thing and say replace all. Like that. Then we have the same stuff, right? Okay, let me check. Is everything fine? And the last here, the last one, the last sign over here should be also replaced. Replace all, the same sign, and boom, boom. So the last sign was replaced by empty figure, and now it should be parsed, right? And the object is JSON, all right? If I execute it, it's still the same. It's not the right thing. Okay, I'm gonna copy that, go to some kind of Gemini or whatever, say in n8n, let's parse it. So it was almost the same. I need to provide this thing here, but I can use the code node and it's much faster and easier. So I'll just take this code, go to JavaScript, do it like that, and execute. Boom, potential offer nodes. All right, everything what I need. And here I'm gonna duplicate this thing. I'm gonna do it here. And here I need to update the row. And here, what we already have, we need just a couple of names, whatever. We need to delete everything. Right. We need to get the row number. The row number we should take from the same number what we have here, but we don't have. Right. But we need to guess which column to match. Okay, so let's say a name, and we're gonna take the name using to match, and it's the same name. All right. And then we need to update the potential, right? Here. So the potential should be right, as far as I see. The nodes should be here, and the offer. I think the offer was kind of the product and fixed. Where was it? Product and offer. Least here, but for the example it's not a big deal. So everything I need is just to get this. But the product offer is quite long. All right, let's keep it simple. But I'm gonna just take this thing here and say JSON format, no lists. Okay, let's guess it's gonna be quick. I clicked on that and it became quite shorter at the end. So if I'll go here, we're gonna have this new field with some information. So here it says we can, it's quite long, but we can automate your client workflow, create joint learning session for your network. That's fine. And the nodes, we can partner to automate a client workflow. It's almost the same. I need to play with that, but definitely it's fine. So now what we're gonna do, oh, and I don't see the, maybe it's deleted. Interesting. So if I'll go back, and I need to maybe update every row, just a sec. So this final person is here, but if we're gonna check again our workflow, okay, let's split it somehow so it's more visible. So I've updated that again, but the problem is right now we are making this HTTP request to check the person's application. I'm gonna take this like a copy, and here I would say yes, whatever. So to check everything, I need to go to the next thing, process join requests. So this endpoint at the end should be the last one. So we're gonna copy that. Okay, I'm gonna write it like process join request. Okay. Here I'm gonna say process join request, and here because those things are red, I have to switch it instead of those tokens and ID. I need to go exactly to the edit fields. Just wait a sec. I'll close it so nobody can see that. I'm gonna take this ID. Right now it's taken from this field ID, and the token is gonna be taken from that field. So source is not really important at the moment, and the group, the action, is important. So I need to take this field over here, and I need to take to switch it to move. Yeah, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go here, just copy this the whole JSON, and here if I'll go back, paste here. So here the token, I'm gonna give the token here, and here ID, I'm gonna give it like ID. The main thing here is not a decline, it should be approve. Yep, and it should be approved. But I also made another thing. I need to search for person here, and we have a name, but as far as I understood, this name is not working so well. And last time we had a join request, and we have this user number, it's 1. So I need to take this search query, and it should be file, yeah, user ID 1 2 3 4. It's much easier, and I think we need to get to this field like user ID, and it should be 1. But just keep in mind that you always have to parse the number instead of a string, so we need to delete those characters. So it's going to be 1, right? So we are almost done, and here we have this one member over here, it's pending, and we have 42 members in the group. So I go to the thing over here and click on yes, and it's not working because the endpoint cannot be found, right? It's approved. It's done. If I'll go back to my group, we have 42 and 1 membership request is pending. So I click on refresh, and now it's 43 and no more requests. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye.